Yeah? Okay, so this is the marble machine that I made for Xander's birthday. And the idea is the marbles go down this little trough and they go to an elevator in the back and they come out the top. And then when Xander turns the crank, turn the crank for me, show us the crank. Yep, turn it. When Xander turns the crank, they pop out up here. Let's follow one. Okay, one more, Xander. Turn it. Oh, that's the right way. There we go. Okay, there it goes. Oh. Oh, there it is. And then it goes back down. Or it goes this way. So I made each of these pieces by hand using a milling machine, a bandsaw, a lathe. I'll use a lathe for these. Long way, Xander. Gotta go this way. And then I used a laser engraver for that part. Xander, how do you like your blocks? Are they fun?